Here you can see a device for 2 fingers. This is for the second and fourth digits for the right hand. As you can see, it will fit right into place here, allowing room for the third digit to move freely, and then the wrist strap when it's in place. Let's just get that on. Will then allow the articulation of the remnant fingers to control this device. And these assemblies, both of these components can be brought back further if need be. There's just 2 press fit pins located here and here, these silicone bands. If you bring the devices to a completely flexed position, the bars run very close together here and here, allowing for this band to be slid down if need be, rather than on top of this other band. Also, this bar, and this bar can all be bent by hand and without breaking, and also this component, this component, this component, and this component. The components that surround the residual finger can also be bent to accommodate the size needed, or bent down not to conflict with the movement of the residual fingers. So the reason these would be brought back is if when the device is completely flexed, the hinges are set too far away from the hand. You don't want the hinges obviously to conflict with the web spacing in between the fingers, but at the same time you don't want them to be too far out, so this component may have to be slid back slightly. And from there, the controlling arms are also going to have to be shortened, which are these long bars here that extend forward. Now, being in place, they, even at their full length, does not restrict the movement of the device, but should be cut shorter. And to do that, you simply remove the press fit pins. You can mark it. When you remove the device and slide it down, you can actually cut the bars a little shorter so they remain within the confines of this component, so you can't see that rough edge then. But you can change the length of these controlling bars by sliding it in or out. Once, if you remove the pins for this, what you want to do is line up the upper controlling arm first, set that pin, let it be in a completely flexed position, have the device flexed to the degree you want it to flex, and then press fit the lower controlling arms pin. And what that will do is then stabilize it in a position where you can control the flexion and extension movements. But that is a 2-finger device, and hopefully that will offer a little bit of some additional information with regards to the final fitting of this assembly.